Hey guy, welcome to my channel. My name is Kenda Debel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, share this video, smash the like button, turn on notification so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first to be found on YouTube. Now, if you are here to mine BirdAirdroo, as you can see on my screen, their latest announcement was that token listing is on November 30. So this airdrop, you don't fade it. Don't fade it because we don't know how it's going to perform. So you know that airdrops are many, but we don't know which one will perform. So, and if you look at this update, it said birds, the token listing will take place on November 30. It's been a long flight, and now we are finally announcing the listing date. So it's only a month away. Along with the listing, you get an airdrop, and the more X you manage to collect, the bigger your airdrop will be. Being active in the game now is especially important to maximize your listing bonus. Very soon, we'll be announcing the exchange where you can fly in to start trading bird. Stay tuned. So now, if you want to join this airdrop, use my link. Do this video, use my link. So when you use my link, you click on play. Now, immediately you click on play, you are going to see some things. You are not going to be doing a difficult task here. A simple task, no tapping, so just like and so now, so you can see, so this is one of the airdrop. So click on, if you are consistent, so you'll be claiming daily reward. So you click on start. You can see that it's telling me to do what? To connect wallet. So if I don't want to do that, I can connect. Now if you want to connect your wallet, you can connect your wallet. So by connecting your wallet, you to you can see that I've connected my wallet already. Go back. Now what is there are simple and see. So ask here. So click on season 5. On the season 5, you click so the time to end, you can collect X. These are X here. See X. So the more X you collect, your drop. So now another thing you can do here is check on airdrop. Click on airdrop. So you're exchanging that to click. So let me see. Okay, Bybit. If you click on Bybit, you can actually do what? Submit your there. If you Bybit, you can details. When it's able to earn 25,000 birds and 5.0 egg. So click, you can see you paste your ID code. Register on the exchange. Your ID from your form location within 24 hours. So you can see it's very easy. So after pasting your ID, you click on verify. So any of the exchange that you can do, all the exchange, if you do all the exchange, you do this work. But if you can have, then you are good to go. So you can also click on spin. So when you click on spin game, you can change the daily combo on the Telegram channel. That this is the game too. The daily combo is just 4 birds. Will be giving you now. Pick the one that is given to you. Then you click. This is you can click on play. You can see. So choose random birds. So you have to check the Telegram channel for that. So then if you click on what's in the market, so from market you can boost your balance by boosting, using your skin. Very easy. When you this booster, you can boost your balance. You can buy skin using your balance. So when your skin, it gives you more per hour. You can see, but you can see. So, but you must have enough balance to be able to do this. So if I get any value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So thanks for watching.